Hello friend, my name is Ali and welcome back all of you in Uppal Solutions. Back friend, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can update the operating system or OS of your Android mobile. When the company or the publishers send you updates, you need to install it. So all of the updates, and you should install these updates because it make your performance of your mobile phone more reliable and more comfortable. So how we can install these updates, let's go and check out. First of all, you have to find the gear icon, settings icon on your mobile screen. You have to click it open, and you will see when you will open a long list of available option will be here. Sometimes the update option is inside of update phone, about phone option, and in some cases it's a separate option by name of system update or update software as such. As you need to find it. Actually I'm using Vivo Y51, and here in my phone it is with the name of system update. So when you will open this option, you will see if any update is available from company, it will listed here. And when you will open, as you can see on your screen that I am selecting system update option. Here is my option system update. Okay, and when I check out, it is saying that your system is already in update state. Actually it is because in morning there was an update from Vivo and I installed these update, and during the installation I create the video, but my mobile restart and all these video were not saved. So this is why I'm not showing here update, but my update are already installed. So if any update is available and from your company, it will here, and you will see when update is available, you will see a button install here. You will click on install button and install. All these updates will be installed on your device. Okay, so and now most people ask either these updates should be installed or not, because some people ask these installation make our mobile hang, or in some time our performance of our mobile decrease. Actually it depends on the condition. Sometimes definitely some updates are very heavy and our device is not much capable to run all of these updates, and in some cases update contains some malware itself. So in these cases the updates can harm our device and make it more hang, our device can hang after we install these updates. So it depends on condition, either we install or not install, but I tell you the process how you can install these updates. So hope you like this video, and if you like, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.